So here is another equation, quadratic equation, which you have to solve on quadratic using quadratic formula method. So here the quadratic equation is given: x square minus 2ax minus 4b square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, so first we'll write the quadratic equation: x square minus 2ax minus 4b square a square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. So here a, b, they are real numbers, like we have handled, anything can be given, p, q, r, s, t, whatever, a, b, c, d, e, whatever it is, they are real numbers. So instead of actual numbers, here we have these representations. So here if we compare it with the standard format of quadratic equation, here I will be using capital letters: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the values of these coefficients of x square, b, and the constant c, they are: a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2a, and c is equal to minus 4b square minus a square. So here, as per the quadratic formula, the roots of the quadratic equation are minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here the discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here we'll calculate that first. So the discriminant is equal to b square, which is minus 2a whole square, minus 4 into 1, which is a, and c is minus 4b square minus a square. So it is equal to, this is minus 2a whole square, which is equal to 4a square, okay, minus minus will become plus, so it is 4 into 4b square minus a square, which is equal to 16b square. So it has become minus becomes plus, so it is 16b square minus 4a square. Okay, this minus and this minus, it becomes plus, so it is plus 4 into 4b square minus a square. This becomes 4a square minus this minus and this minus, it becomes plus, so 4 into 4b square minus a square. Okay, so this minus becomes plus, the product of these two. So now we have 4 into 4b square minus a square, so it is 16b square minus 4a square. So this is equal to 4a square minus 4a square will become, they will cancel out, so we have 16b square. This is the discriminant. So now simply we have to put this value here in this quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, to get the value of the roots. So the roots will be equal to alpha beta minus b. So minus b is how much here? B is equal to minus 2a. So minus 2a plus minus root over of d, which is equal to 16b square by 2a. A is equal to 1. So let me just cross check. B is equal to minus 2a, yes. A is equal to 1, and discriminant d we calculated 16b square. Okay, so it is equal to 4a plus minus minus minus, so it is sorry, this is minus plus 2a, sorry, not 4a, it is 2a. This is 2a, okay, 2a minus minus plus, so 2a plus minus, this is 4b, root over of 16b square, it is 4b by 2. So here one is sorry, it's okay, this 2 into a plus minus 2b by 2. 2 will get cancelled, so it is a plus minus 2b. Okay, so one of the roots alpha is equal to a plus 2b and the other one beta is equal to a minus 2b. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation, a plus 2b, a minus 2b. Okay, so this is the thing. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula method. So here the equation is given to solve abx square plus b square minus acx minus bc is equal to 0 using quadratic formula method. So here first we'll write the quadratic equation abx square plus b square minus acx minus bc is equal to 0. So then we'll write the standard format of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. On comparing these two, we have a is equal to ab, b is equal to b square minus ac and c is equal to minus bc. Okay, this. Now using quadratic formula, the roots of the quadratic equation, they are alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So let us calculate that first. So it is equal to b square minus ac whole square minus 4 into ab into minus bc. Okay, this is equal to b square plus ac whole square, b square whole square plus ac whole square minus 2 b square ac, we can write it as a b square c in proper order. Okay, 2 ab square c. Okay, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this, and this is minus minus, it becomes plus, so ab into bc, this is minus 4ab into minus bc, minus minus becomes plus. So here we have ab multiplied with minus bc, so it is ab square c. So minus minus plus, it is plus 4 a b square c. So here we have b square whole square plus ac whole square plus 2 plus, okay, it is plus 2 AB square C. Okay, so we can write it as B square whole square plus AC whole square plus 2 into B square into AC. So this becomes A plus B whole square format. So B square plus AC whole square. This is the discriminant. B square plus AC whole square. Okay. Now, using the quadratic formula approach, so D is B square plus AC whole square. Okay, D is B square plus AC whole square. Now the roots of the quadratic equation, they are minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC root over, which is root over of D discriminant. This is B square minus 4AC. Sorry, only B square minus 4AC, not root over. Okay, B square minus 4AC. So this is equal to by 2A. So it is equal to minus B square minus AC plus minus root over of B square plus AC whole square by 2A, which is equal to 2AB. So it is equal to minus B square minus AC plus minus, this is root over of B square plus AC whole square, it will simply become B square plus AC by 2AB. So there will be two possibilities. One is minus B square plus AC, I have opened the bracket, minus B square plus AC plus B square plus AC by 2AB and minus B square plus AC minus B square plus AC by 2AB. So in this case, minus B square plus B square will cancel each other out. So we will have 2AC by 2AB. Okay, 2AC by 2AB. And here we will have plus AC minus AC will cancel each other out. When we open the bracket, it will become minus B square minus AC plus AC minus AC will cancel each other out. So we'll have minus B square minus B square, which is equal to minus 2B square by 2AB. So here 2A will get cancel each other out, so it will be C by B, and here 2 will cancel each other out, B will cancel with B, so it will be equal to minus B by A, minus B by A. So C by A and minus B by A. So it will be equal to one of the roots alpha, and this will be equal to beta. C by B and minus B by A. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the thing. So here I have to be a bit careful when you are trying to calculate the discriminant, when you are opening the brackets, when you are doing the whole squares and all that. the plus minus addition subtraction, that you do a bit carefully, because sometimes you can be in a hurry and you make silly mistakes, and it happens. Okay, so you have to be careful when you are calculating all these basic things. Okay, so here we have got the two values, C by B and minus B by A.